how to draw the Kansas State University logo. We are going to start by drawing a line on the left side of our page. Then at the top of that line, we are going to draw a small line going to the right. Connecting to that, we are going to draw a half circle that curves downwards. Great job! Now for the rest of the top of the outline, we are going to draw a line going to the right. And a small zigzag going downwards from that. Then we will continue the bottom of the zigzag to the right of our page. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw a slightly diagonal line going from where we just left off that will go downwards and towards the left, with a small line at the bottom going to the left as well. Awesome! Now we are going to draw a line going down from that that's pretty small. And then we are going to draw a half circle that curves upwards from that. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a long curved line going right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're done with the top part of the outline. Next, we are going to go below that and we are going to draw another curved line that will be right here. And then it's going to curve back to the right a little bit at the bottom. After we're all done drawing this logo, make sure to comment down below what logos you would like us to draw next. Awesome job! From the top right of that curved line we drew, we are going to draw a small line going down. And then to finish this shape, we are going to draw another curved line similar to the one that we drew at the beginning of this shape, but it will be smaller and on the inside. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our K-State logos are coming along great. Now we are going to draw another curved line. This one will be right here. From the top of that curved line, we are going to draw a half circle shape that curves downwards, and it will almost look as if it's the other half to the circle at the top that we drew. Then below that, we are going to draw another half circle curving inwards the opposite direction. Looking great! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Then we are going to draw a line that looks just like this one right here. Then from that, we are going to draw a line going downwards, connecting to the curved line below to finish this shape. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now for the last step, we are going to draw a half circle right here in this space. This is how to draw the Kansas State University logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.